Now go to the gray piece in the middle. I mean this row. Go to the middle, and this gray piece you take it out, and do this for this side too. You take this out. To fill in this, you have to take 2 black pieces. These 2 black pieces you have to insert it right in these 2 pockets, like this, and press it together. Press it against each other, and add it right here. Replace it, the white. I mean the gray. You have just removed it, and do this for the side too. You take 2 black pieces and insert them like this, and then select this. Now you take 2 white pieces and add it on top of the black piece, like this. And then you do this for the side too. You take 2 white pieces and add it on top of the black piece. Now you take 2 gray pieces and add it between, near the 2 white pieces. So add one here, the 2 white pieces in between these 2 gray pieces. You do this for the side too. You take a gray piece and add it beside the 2 white pieces. Now go to this gray piece, and then you go to one, you add 1 red piece. Add 1 more near it. So you have 2 on this row. Do this the same. You add 1 here, right on top of these 2 pieces, and then you add 1 more near it. And you have to fill in these 2 rows with black, the rest of the rows. So now you go to the 2 black middle pieces of this row. That means these 2. This one and this one. And then you add 1 white piece on top of it. So these 2 black pieces, 1 white piece on top of it. And then you go to these 2 red pieces. You add 1 on top of it. And then add 1 more at this side. Now you go to this red side and do the same. You add 1 on top of the 2 red pieces, and then you add 1 here, and then you fill in this row with black. Now you go to this black piece. I have made a mistake. You have to take out this black piece and replace it with red. So you have 3 red pieces in this row actually. So do this for the same too. You take out this black piece and add 1 more red piece here, so you get 3 red pieces in this row. Now you go to this point. On top of these 2 red pieces, you add 1 red piece, and then you add 2 more near it. So you go to this side and do the same. You add 1 on top of these 2 red pieces, and then you add 2 more near it. On top of these white piece, you have to add 2 white pieces on top of it. So you add 1 here and 1 here, and then you add 1 more on top of it, and then you fill in the rest of the 2 rows with black. Now when you finish, you have to add one more row of black. So you add one more row of black by inserting black pieces on top of it.